This is our nearly completed upstairs bathroom. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Andrew from Home by AM, and we completed this whole bathroom through DIY. Our goal was to create a modern and clean space that we would enjoy using every day. We are very happy with the outcome of this bathroom, and right now we are using this as our primary bath, but in the future we have a second bathroom to redo, and this will end up becoming our guest bathroom. Because this will be our guest bathroom, we figured this was a great place to start our DIY journey. I think remodeling your bathroom is one of the hardest DIYs that you can do. You get a lot of really good experience from it. You really learn a little bit of everything: plumbing, drywall, tile work. With a large scale project like this, it did come with some mistakes, but we learned from those mistakes. I remember a point though, when the demo was complete, looking around thinking, I hope I can put this back together. But with many long nights of research, searching the forums, searching through YouTube, and a slow learning process with an acquisition of tools, we were able to put this bathroom back together. And that leads us to now. So what I want to do is I want to talk about the fixtures and the finishes and why we chose them. Let's start with the vanity. Let me show you. This vanity was custom built by us. We built it to a height of 36 inches. We were after that comfort height. The counter we selected at a local fabricator called GM Marble. It's a white quartz with gray veining. We added a 2-inch mitered edge to the counter for that thick appearance. We went with Kohler sinks, and honestly we're not too big of a fan of them because our hands bump into the back when trying to wash our hands. Now it might be due to a combination with our Moen Faucets, even though we pulled them forward as much as we could. We do love the look though. For the vanity backsplash, we chose 3 tall mirrors, and we love this because it makes the space feel bigger than it is. The tiles from a company called Emser. This is their Flex line. Now I know it's been said before, but lighting really is everything, especially in the bathroom. That's why we went with 2 recessed lights and pendant lights. Now our floor tile. That was a pain to install. This is Emser's second appearance. This is the Rhythm line. We chose the hexagon shape for its looks, but getting 6 sides level was a challenge. And that's going to wrap up the first half of this bathroom. Let's talk about the shower side. Now typically I wouldn't think there was anything too special about a toilet, but this Kohler Gleam is comfort height and has a skirted base to make for easy cleaning. Now the shower, probably our favorite part about this bathroom. Large format subway tile, Mope Flex Color Grout and Frost, black fixtures, a quartz shower niche, and white penny tiles. This was all Michelle's design, and we're super happy with the outcome. With a big project like this wrapped up, we ask ourselves, would we do it again? The answer is, we are doing it ourselves again.